With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question is, in the derivation of P1 minus P2 equal to rho GH, it was assumed that the liquid is incompressible. Why will this equation not be strictly valid for a compressible liquid? So, we know that for a compressible liquid, the density is variable. That means density is not uniform, or we can say density is varying. So the value of P1 minus P2 equal to rho GZ will be different at the same level. That means if we choose, this is a pipe and here the incompressible liquid is flowing, a compressible liquid is flowing, then the density at that point, rho 2, and density at that point, rho 1, will be different, and the value of P1 minus P2 will be same. That's why this is not valid for the compressible liquid. So this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.